Well, here's the finished stunt bar, wheelie bar, whatever you want to call it. It's not a 12 o'clock bar. 12 o'clock bar, you'd have to pull it right out here and make it, it'd look shit. So I've just made, this is just really just a stand on. I might even weld some foot pegs on. Or weld some kind of foot peg on. But anyway, yeah, that's it finished. I used 20mm wide by 5mm thick straps. They were about 46 centimeters long. This side had to be shorter because of all the exhaust attachments. So that's why I drilled in, that's why all the drill holes weren't in line, because I had to try and strengthen it the best I could by drilling in to the only options I had. Then I had this bit of tube which is 22 mil that was, and that was just an offcut I had somewhere. I just welded it in. This is 22mm. The bolts I used were 25mm length M5s or M4s. They should be strong enough. Then I had to cut a few bits. Come on, alright, I've just got the 3 bolts in either side, rough, not in the same, because of obviously you've got a few things to get around. It feels sturdy. All I've got to do is weld her on, then do some welding. Feels all secure to me. Bit of a cowboy job, but it should work. The idea is just to stand on it. Be able to stand on here, get the balance better, make this into a sort of little stunt bike. Give it a bit of a spray paint. Just got to fix this down. Obviously I've not bolted it in, but it fits on alright. Quite pleased it looks alright. Hopefully it should work. I can't see why not. Seem to be standing on it alright. Most people I don't think would have liked to have drilled into here. It was fine, and it feels sturdy. I don't think it's going to go. I'm no engineer or mechanic or anything like that, so this seemed the simplest way for me to do the job. If you've got a bit of an idea of, I don't know, machining or something, you could have come up with something a lot better. But this is me, the cowboy. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up there. I hope you've learnt something, got some idea, or maybe got your own ideas how to improve it, or how easy of a job it is. Give you a bit of a clue. I haven't been on this bike. I want to go out and test it, but the ground's so wet. I haven't been out on this for a few months now. I can't even remember. Not started it. Last time I went on it though, I tried to wheelie over a hill and I nearly put it in a little drink. Well, I'll show you. I'll just add it on the end anyway.